is being created by some vested interests and especially some political parties. Otherwise, there is nothing new. The nation that there is something is going to happen here. I don't know about tomorrow, but that's not in my hands. But till today, there is nothing to worry. We could have done without also, but yes, it was our responsibility to see the safety of the yatris and tourists, because terrorists are sitting across the line to cross here, and most of them are fidayeen. If something happens, that would have the repercussions inside the country all over. So we wanted to avoid that. My message to the people is that they should stay calm. They should not worry for anything. Nothing drastic is going to happen. And to my knowledge, what the knowledge I am privy to till today from the center, there is nothing is going to happen.